going on, guys? Got a garbage disposal. Gonna be replacing today. Got a broken cutter. It's hard to see, but let's see here. You see that cutter right there? Should be another one right there. That hole, we're missing a cutter. So I'm gonna change it out. Pretty easy job. Just gonna go ahead and unplug it, and then we'll unhook the trap, unbolt this here, unhook the dishwasher line, and our new one right here. It's not a GE brand, but it's like a knockoff. So it'll go in the same way. It comes with the cord, so it should be a pretty easy repair. Take the trap off. And then we'll take this piece off up here at this T. Pull that out. And then we'll unhook the dishwasher line. Probably get some water out of here, so pour it over the bucket. Alright, now we want to undo these two screws here so we can get this unmounted. Take off your nut and the seal. I'm going to reuse that. And then we can keep that seal on there because we'll reuse it. So here's our new one. So we'll just unlock this, pull it up. That's what we already have up in the sink, so no reason to change that. It's good, it's not leaking. And we don't need this. And then here's our new flange with the bolts. So now we'll drop this one down. Just come up here. And then you want to hold the disposal, grab this clamp and turn it to the left. Again, drops right out. There's a better look inside there. There's one silver cutter there. Got the hole there where the other cutters broke off. Alright, so we'll get rid of this. Here's our new one. There's a groove right here and another little groove or notch right there. That's what you want to get to slide up there and on that side. Slide our new flange on. Those are just the Phillips. Number 2 Phillips, tighten those up. Put the nut on and the seal. And then we want to turn this back into the T. And then we'll tighten up the lock nut. Alright. And then one thing I did forget, we need to punch the knockout out of here for the dishwasher drain. Otherwise, it's not going to drain. And it's best to do that with it off. And I forgot to do that. So I'm going to try to do it with it mounted here. Piece of plastic in there. So if you didn't have a dishwasher, then you'd be fine. You wouldn't have to worry about it. But since we're hooking up a dishwasher drain, I need to get that out of there. So a punch or just anything. I'm just going to use a flathead screwdriver. Put in there, tap it with the hammer. Should break it loose here. Try to do this left-handed. Alright, there it is, a little black plastic piece right here. Now we can hook our dishwasher drain up, slide it on, tighten it down. Trap back on. Alright, got those nice and tight. Take this off the cord, get it plugged in. Alright, our shiny new disposal. Now we'll test it out, make sure it doesn't leak. Alright, looks like we're good to go. I'll go ahead and put the splash guard in. Alright, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.